The Constitutional Court in South Korea has officially ruled to remove impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol from office. Yoon had sparked a political crisis in the country last year after he briefly imposed martial law. Protesters who have been calling for Yoon to leave office cheered as they heard the news. The case has split the country, with millions of supporters and opponents taking to the streets in recent months. Yoon was arrested in January in a massive police operation while thousands of his supporters rallied outside his residence. South Korea's parliament had impeached Yoon for ordering martial law with no justifiable grounds. He also faces multiple criminal charges, including leading an insurrection that could lead to life imprisonment or even execution. Now, journalist Fabian Kretschmer joins me now from Seoul. Fabian, finally a verdict. How was the moment received on the streets of Seoul?
Yeah, of course, the Yoon critics, they were happy. I mean, they are demonstrating half a kilometer behind me. I'm in downtown Seoul right now, and of course they are cheering. They wanted Yoon Sok Yeol to be out of office, and they have basically achieved their goal. However, the Yoon supporters, yeah, they are sad, and they are actually gathering at a different part of town, actually near the presidential residence. And of course, yeah, they are not happy to see the result, but so far, and I think that is the most important news, it has remained peaceful and there are no violent escalations so far.
With so many people who have been willing to come onto the streets on either side of this argument, Fabian, now we have the verdict. How great is the fear of civil unrest?
Well, I mean, that's really the big fear. And you can see maybe also behind me there are some police. If you look at whole downtown Seoul, there are 14,000 policemen deployed. Just alone around the Constitutional Court area, there are 7,000 police personnel. And, you know, they block the traditional demonstration areas off. So they are really corridored with police buses. And the people who are able to protest can only do so within designated areas. This is all measures because in the past some demonstrations have not remained peaceful. The Yoon Sok Yeol supporters in January have stormed a court building. They have vandalized. They have even hurt, injured 17 police personnel. So there's a lot of precaution now that this will not repeat itself. And so far it has remained peaceful, but whether it will remain calm, we don't know yet.
And as to whether it remains calm, I guess it's key as to what message Yoon supporters are hearing. What has been the reaction from Yoon's party and what are they telling their supporters?
Yeah, so the first reaction from Yoon's party, from the ruling party, is that they accept the ruling by the Constitutional Court, and that is really an important signal because if they would give a different message, then Yoon Sok Yeol supporter might feel inspired or might feel emboldened to, yeah, maybe also take it to the streets with a violent protest. But so far the messaging by the ruling party is that we have to accept the ruling and we have to accept the outcome. And I think that is really important to calm the situation down and to de-escalate things.
Fabian Kretschmer in Seoul, thank you so much.